Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get stretch resolution on Fortnite. First of all, you want to open up run command here, and then you want to write down % local updater %. Open it. Then you want to scroll down until you will find Fortnite game. Open it. On Fortnite game you're going to go to saved, then you're going to go to config, Windows client, and here you will see game user settings. You want to click on this game user settings, right click on it, go to properties, and then untick this read only, apply and OK. After that, you're gonna go ahead and open game user settings with a notepad. Now you want to find a resolution size. If you cannot find it, you're gonna click edit and then you're gonna click find. Then you're gonna write down resolution size, and here it is. Now you're going to enter the resolution which you want. So for example, let's do maybe this one. And right here, I'm going to write down 1080. And you want to go ahead and change everything here. So right there. And after that, you're going to scroll down and you will see here a desired one. So again, you're going to change it to the one that you want. Now, once you changed the desired one and the resolution size here, you're going to go ahead, click File and Save, close it. Then you're going to right click on the game user settings, go to Properties and check the read-only option. Now you're going to open up your NVIDIA control panel. You can right click on it or just go on search here and find it. From here, you're going to go to Display, Change Resolution. Now you're going to choose the monitor you would like to change to resolution on, and you're going to click Customize here. Now you're going to click this Enable and click Create Custom Resolution. Now you're going to write down the resolution you wrote on Fortnite. So it's this one for me. You're going to select your refresh rate. You're going to click Yes. Now the screen will go black and it will basically apply the changes just like so. And now you want to make sure that it is selected. Now you're going to click Apply. Now, if something is not working, you want to click Adjust Desktop Size and Position, and you want to make sure that it is full screen here. Now you want to go ahead and open up your Fortnite. Now, it's a little bit stretched, but my OBS doesn't show it correctly, basically. But as you can see, it is fully stretched. And yeah, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.